Okay, for this video, we're going to take a look at how to construct an equation from a story problem. So here I have a story problem that says 4 friends went to an amusement park. They each paid $12.50 to get in. Write an equation to find the total bill, or T, for the 4 friends to get into the amusement park. Now it does tell us to use division, so we have to create a division equation. Okay, so the first thing I always like to do is look at what it is exactly we're looking for. Okay, what is it the question's looking for me to find? Well, it's looking for me to find the total bill. So I got to do an equation to find the total bill, or T. So I'm going to put my variable down, T, to stand for the total bill. Okay. After that, I'm going to go back through the story problem and start making sense of what it's saying. So here I highlighted 4 friends went to the amusement park. All right, so T is how much it cost for all of them to get in. That's the total bill. Okay, you're going to split that up amongst 4 friends. Remember, this has to be a division problem. Okay, so you're going to take the total bill and you're going to divide it by 4 because the 4 friends are splitting it evenly. Okay, so once again, T is how much it costs total. The 4 is the 4 friends, so we're dividing it by 4. Now, let's go back into the story problem and see if there's something else that we need to look for. It says they each paid $12.50 to get in. So that's how much it's going to cost each kid or each friend to get in. Okay, so what I do there is that's what it's going to equal, is $12.50. So now if you start to piece things together here, this is the T for the total bill divided by the 4 friends, and they each are going to pay $12.50. So that's how you would create a division equation with that story problem. Let's try one more. 35 kids went home early from school from a trip. There are 736 kids left at school after they leave. Write an equation to find how many students are in the school total. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the letter S for students. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to find what it is we're looking for. And we are looking for how many students are in the school total. Okay, so we're going to say that's S. So I put my variable down, S. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the story problem and start piecing some things together. So the first one says 35 kids went home early from school for a trip. Now notice this one says we have to use subtraction. Okay, so we have to use a subtraction sign. So S is how many kids are in the total in the entire school. 35 of them went home. Okay, so if they leave, that is subtraction. So now we have S take away 35. Okay, so now if I keep reading on, the next bit of information says there are 736 kids left at school after they leave. So that's how many is remaining. Okay, so we took the total kids, that's S, took away the 35 that left early, and we're left with the 736 kids that are still at school. Okay, so now you can use this equation to solve it, and you guys know how to do that now, but that's how you create an equation from a story problem.